Hi, welcome to Vision Teams. In this slide, we are going to see about indexing, slicing, reversing of string. Before that, sometimes we hear Python is object-oriented program, right? That means every element in Python is an object. This object can be stored in a different form like numbers, string, list, dictionary, so and so. Apart from the standard object type, we can create new type of object. That's why Python is called object-oriented program. So string is one type of standard object. We can identify it if anything within a quotes that is called string. That may be single quotes or double quotes. We move to string indexing. Indexing is assessing element of a string by using its position. We can count its position uh, from zero if we count from left to right. So I given one example of a bar that is surrounded by quotes. So it is a string type. So I'll count it now. It is start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Likewise, I have to count. If I start from right to left, it is from -1, -2, -3. Likewise, I have to count. So these are position of this element. Now, I given one example how to call the element based on its position. So we can call index by using a square bracket. So x is a string, x of 0 means zeroth position element. That means zeroth position element is f. So by using x of 0, I can access this f. By using x of 3, I can access third element of the string. Third element is 0, 1, 2, 3. This b is the third element. Uh, in the similar way, we can use reverse index -1. -1 is here, the last element. So that we can directly call x of -1 is r. And then the same element we can call also by forward indexing x of 5. Yeah, this indexing we can pass an single argument by as a position. Then next, string slicing. Here we have to pass two arguments. One is from and to, so that we can access multiple element in a string. For example, now I given x of 1 : that means that in the next end to up to end, I have to call from the first element. First element is O, then I have to call OOBAR. That means by default it's end. Now in the second example, I didn't given a from, so that it automatically from the start. So up to -1 element, not from not up to end. It's a -1 element means before that. So that FOOBA. Up to that it will call. Likewise, we can call any range. Now, in another example, I given 1 to -1. That means OOBA. Likewise, it will call. So, the next type is step. Here we have to give three arguments. One is from, next is to. We already seen that the other argument is step. That means traverse of the element. That means in the same example, I given one more argument, colon. That means from the start to end, one step. That means here I give an example like traversing from here this first element, then next element, next element. Likewise, each every one element it will move. If I give two, automatically what will happen? It will traverse two by two, next to two, next to two. It will access the first element, and then next second element is this one, and next second element is this one. Likewise, it will traverse. That's why we can give the step, and also we can go to reverse index also. If we give reverse index in the step, what will happen? Automatically, start and end will swap. That means it will start from here and end from start. Likewise, it will swap. Now I given -1 means it will go next one element. Each element it will go, so that it will traverse likewise from the start. That means from the right left it will traverse R A B O O F. Likewise, it will traverse. In the same wise, I can traverse in the skipping, like next to second element. Likewise also we can in the reverse order also we can traverse. That means here if I give minus 2 from the first element, the next second likewise it will traverse. So likewise, here also we can give any change. Here the last example is minus 1 to minus 5. Minus 1 is a start and minus 5 is here. Here again I given 1 so that R A B O it will print. Yeah, that's it in indexing, slicing and step.